Hello guys, my name is Alex. Today we'll discuss about the systemic and pulmonary circulation. And if you are new on the channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe Concept Biology because the first 1000 subscribers will get special privileges in the future. Right. Okay, so let's start. Systemic and pulmonary circulation advanced overview. The cardiovascular system in vertebrates consists of two major circuits, pulmonary circulation and systemic circulation, operating in a closed loop coordinated by the heart, a muscular four-chambered organ. This circuit ensures continuous oxygenation of the blood and delivery of oxygen and nutrients to the body tissue. In the pulmonary circuit, the right side of the heart receives deoxygenated blood from the systemic veins and pumps it to the lungs for the gaseous exchange. The lungs are located in close proximity to the heart within the thoracic cavity. So the right ventricle wall is relatively thin as it's only need to generate enough pressure to propel blood to the short distance. Conversely, in the systemic circuit, the left ventricle must generate considerably higher pressure to distribute oxygenated blood throughout the body from the head to the distal extremities, which accounts for its significantly thicker myocardium. Structurally, the heart comprises of two pumps, each containing an atrium and a ventricle separated by a longitudinally septum known as intraventricular septum. This arrangement maintains a unidirectional blood flow and prevents oxygenated and deoxygenated blood from mixing up. The cardiac cycle, consisting of a systole and a diastole, ensures rhythmic propulsion of blood throughout the vascular system. Deoxygenated blood from the systemic circulation enters the right atrium via three major vessels: superior vena cava, inferior vena cava, and coronary sinus. From the right atrium, it flows through the tricuspid valve into the right ventricle. During the ventricle systole, blood is ejected from the pulmonary semilunar valve into the pulmonary artery, which transports it to the lungs. Within the pulmonary capillaries, gaseous exchange occur. Carbon dioxide diffuses out of the blood and oxygen diffuses in. Now, oxygenated blood returns to the left atrium through the pulmonary veins. It then passes via bicuspid or mitral valve into the left ventricle, which contracts powerfully to pump blood into the aorta through the aortic lamellar valve. From the aorta, blood is distributed through systemic arteries and capillaries network across the body, where cellular respiration consumes oxygen and releases carbon dioxide as a waste product. Deoxygenated blood from the tissue is collected by systemic veins, converging into superior and inferior vena cava, which channel it back to the right atrium, completing one full circulatory cycle. Thus, heart serves as the central pump of circulatory system, maintaining high hemodynamic stability and ensuring efficient transport of gases, nutrients, and metabolic waste throughout the body. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.